Morning students, today we will study class 4th and chapter number 8 is your repeat command and the procedure in your logo. In our previous class we have discussed about making a square and making a rectangle. Now today we will discuss how to make a triangle, pentagon, hexagon and your octagon. Right, if you want to make any shape or any type of triangle, pentagon, hexagon or octagon, first of all you have to know the side of shape which you are drawing here, right? Then the what is our in making a circle? A circle is not a polygon, as it is not made up by a straight line. A circle is a command up of tiny curved lines or arc. Therefore the logo command to make a circle is repeat 360 fd1 and rt1. Right, what you have to do, fd1, rt1 and 360 by using what we have to do, fd1 rt1 oblique 360. Right, we have to repeat it 360 times. How you can do? You can write here fd space 1 space rt 1 space 360, then press enter. Right, by using this you can make a circle. To increase or decrease the size or shape such as square, triangle or circle, rectangle, increase or decrease the number of steps in the forward command. You have to repeat fd1 and rt1 how many times? 360 times. fd1 rt1 fd1 rt1 by how fd1 and rt1 repeat it 360 times so that it can make a circle easy. How much steps? 360 steps. fd1 rt1 oblique 360, press enter. Right, it will curve slowly. Right, it will curve slowly and you have to repeat this by 360 times so that you can make a circle. Now what is your procedure? A procedure is a mathematical way of carrying out a task from beginning to the end. We can also say that a procedure is a step-by-step process of doing a job. We usually follow a procedure in most of day-by-day tasks that we do. For example, to make ice cube, the procedure you would normally follow. If you the procedure is the mathematical way of completing any task. Suppose that if you want to make ice, then first of all what you will do, you will take a tray, place the water in it, and after that you can what you will do, kept in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours so that it can the water turns into the ice. Same, there is a logo procedure. A logo procedure is a set of command given in a particular order. Okay, logo procedure is a set of command given in a particular order. It is saved under a name so that a procedure can complete a task by simple typing the procedure name instead of typing lengthy commands again and again. For example, we are discussing about the circle. First of all, you will write here repeat space 360, after that bracket fd1 and rt1, then press enter. Right, this is to draw a circle can saved under a procedure named circle. So when we execute the procedure circle logo, draw a circle, we can save any number of procedure in logo. This is the process of making a circle. Repeat 360 means you have to repeat fd1 and rt1 by 360 times so that you can make a circle. After that, create a procedure. What is a procedure? A logo procedure has three types. Logo procedure has three parts. First one is your title, second body, third one is your end. Title is the first part of procedure. Here we assign a name to a procedure. The title or a procedure name is proceed. TO2 To command, for example, to circle. Body is the main area where we type the command. Logo will execute this command when we run the procedure. Later we can instruct logo to draw the figure or do calculation. For example, repeat 360 FD1 and RT1. Now last one is your end command. What is your end command? End is the last part of procedure. After typing all the instruction, we given end command to tell logo that there are no more instruction to be followed. Means first one is your title starts from 2, then is your body, means middle structure, then is your end, means you have end the program. To create a procedure, first of all, how you want to create a procedure, you have to type here 2, then your circle, press enter. See, the input command is enter here. Now we have to enter the command here, and the command is repeat. After that space 360, then your bracket will be start by giving space, bracket start FD1 RT1, right? Then you can click here on OK, right? OK means your command, the two more diagonal box opens here. Now enter the body of procedure we have entered, then click on OK. We have clicked on OK. After that, a new dialog box open. Type end here. Okay, you have to type here end, right? Then click here on OK. Circle has been defined, right? What is written here? Circle has been defined. It means the circle is defined. The procedure circle is created in the logo workspace. It is created in the logo workspace. If you have system in your home, then by taking the help of your book, you can also practice this, how you can create a circle or whatever figure you want to create. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.